Yeah, so now here I am today telling my sister, yes, marry him. Do it.
Sing it out to the world.
Here we go.
Shout it out, let them know that we're here right now. Don't worry now, we're gonna find what we've been looking for.
I've been lost without you by my side. You're my partner through it all. I make you this promise that for as long as I live, you will never need to worry, you will never have tears other than happy tears. I will always support you and I will always love you. We have built a life together in these past 8 years that will only get stronger with time. You are mine and I am yours forever.
Sing it out, oh, oh. We got this one life to live, oh, oh. So take a chance, don't be afraid. We got this one life to live, so make the most of it.
Mr. and Mrs. Harris.
Me in this moment feels like magic gone. I'm right where I wanna be.
We're stronger now than we've ever been before. Yeah, we've got each other, and when the days get long, just remember we're not alone. Sing it out.
I pledge to listen to your advice and sometimes take it.
Always.
I pledge to never keep score, even if I'm totally winning, and I probably will be. I also pledge, Greg, that I will love you always and forever. And I love you more than anything in the world.